Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the device and your phone so the setup can proceed without interruption. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, and you are signed into the Apple ID you want to use. Plug the HomePod Mini into power and wait for the white pulsing light and chime. This indicates it's ready to pair. Once you see that, hold your iPhone close and follow the on-screen prompt that appears automatically to start the guided setup. Now you'll configure the detailed options that control how HomePod Mini behaves. Choose the room label to organize devices in the Home app and select Siri language and voice so responses sound natural to you. Make sure to decide on personal requests. Enabling it lets Siri access messages and reminders, which is convenient but consider privacy. Also connect Apple Music or streaming accounts, grant HomeKit permissions for smart devices. Finish by verifying functionality. Play audio via AirPlay, ask Siri a question, and try an intercom message to confirm responses and network stability. If room acoustics or volume seem off, open the Home app to adjust EQ or change the placement. Moving it a few inches can improve Wi-Fi and sound. If setup fails, reboot the HomePod by unplugging for 10 seconds or perform a reset using the top touch controls. Also restart your router and iPhone as a proven fix before retrying setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.